Okay, so I made this app called Hank, and what Hank does is it uses a cloud managed agent to remember things I sent it. So I set up a managed agent with this prompt, this system prompt, where it basically knows that if I send it a YouTube video or a URL or an email or whatever it is, it knows how to parse it, create a summary, and store it in my Obsidian Vault. And it uses GitHub on a path token for my GitHub repo that I gave it, and I send that GitHub token through the file upload API in the Cloud SDK and put that in the container, so the agent can read it from there. And then I have this repo that's private in my GitHub, where I have a Hank folder, and then it stores the files like this with some tags and the summary and the content and whatever. So this is really cool. And let's see what else. The code is here. I coded it with Claude. I wrote an architecture file first, and I iterated with it through the architecture until I was happy with it. And then I implemented it and iterated a little bit, and it took me probably an hour and a half or 2 hours to get the whole thing set up. I had the managed agent already done, and then I had it write this article about how it works. And right now it just connects to it with a terminal, with a CLI. But in the future, it can also, I'll build a gateway in my VPS that can expose a webhook, so I can talk to it through Telegram or through email with Mailgun. And that way I can send it emails, forward emails to it, and share things with it through Telegram in my phone, like sending images. So it will store everything and then put it in my Obsidian. Now in Obsidian I set up, I have the Git plugin and I have the terminal plugin, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna remove this right now because I'm not gonna use it. Okay, so let's test it. Let's see, Hank. Okay, I'm actually gonna start a new session. So this is now connecting to my managed agent, and now let's say if I go to YouTube, for example, let's see if there's any interesting videos that I want to remember. Let's see, whatever this guy.
Okay, so we have a brand new / command.
Okay, so I can tell it, Hank, I want you to remember this video. Okay. And now if you come to the agent, there's going to be a new session created, and we can see what's going on. It already has you should already have the repo. Well, no, it's probably, I'm not sure, to be honest, what's going on. Maybe every new session, it needs to recreate the container. So it needs to get the repo on the whole thing and send the environment and all that. Let's see if it works. The title, created a repo. I need to improve the way this renders. And write the note. Okay. And now it's sending out to my GitHub. Okay, seems like it worked. So now if I go to my repo, there it is. And now I can go to my Obsidian and do a pull. Boom, here's a note. This is just sick. This is just super sick. This is super sick. And what I'm gonna do in the future is I normally run Claude in here, but I don't have it set up right now. I don't have it set up with a Cloud.md on this particular vault, but let's see if it works by any chance. I want you, actually let's do this with audio. I want you to look in my vault, and I think I sent you a video about Anthropic, something about Anthropic. Can you see if you can find it and send me a URL? Normally the way I do this is with a Cloud.md, so it knows. Okay, fuck. I mean, this is just amazing. This is just amazing. All right, that's my video.